In this video, let us learn about Python Booleans. Booleans represent one of two values, true or false. Boolean values. In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. See, we have given 10 is greater than 9, 10 equal to 9, 10 is lesser than 9. See here, the result true, false, false. When you run a condition, if an if statement, Python returns true or false. Print a message based on whether the condition is true or false. A is equal to 80, B is equal to 26. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A, else print B is not greater than A. The result is yes, B is not greater than A. Evaluate values and variables. The bool function allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or false in return. For example, evaluate a string and a number. Print bool hello, print bool 15. Yes, the result is true, true. Python quick start. Evaluate two variables, x is equal to hello, y is equal to 15. Print bool x, print bool y. See, both are true. Most values are true. Almost any values is evaluated to true if it has some short content. Any string is true except empty strings. Any number is true except 0. Any list, tuple, set and dictionary are true except empty ones. Here the example, the following will return true. Bool ABC, bool 1 2 3, bool sunflower, lily, jasmine. See, if you print this code, the result returns all true. Some values are false. In fact, there are not many values that evaluate to false except empty values such as parentheses, empty square brackets, empty flower brackets, empty double quotes, the number 0 and the values none, and of course the values false evaluate to false. Here is the example, the following will return false because they all are empty. See, the result is false, 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 false. One more value or object in this case evaluate to false, and that is if you have an object that is made from a class with a underscore length function that ends 0 or false. Here example, the result is false. Functions can return a boolean. You can create functions that returns a boolean value. Print the answer of a function. See here, if you write the code, the result is true. You can execute code basis on the boolean answer of a function. Print yes, not if the function returns true, otherwise print not. See here, if you give an example, if my function print yes, else print not, yes, the result is yes. Python has many built-in functions that return a boolean value like the isInstance function, which can be used to determine if an object is of a certain data type. Check if an object is an integer or not. X is equal to 100, print giving the isInstance method. That is true, result is true. Okay friends, this is the end of part 10 Booleans. In next video, let us learn about another topic, operators. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.